Hello and welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips. Here on our channel, we celebrate the incredible achievements of individuals who have turned their lives around against all odds. We explore their stories, how they overcame challenges, and what you can learn from their experiences. But it's not just about stories. We are here to give you practical and actionable advice for your own personal development. Whether you want to improve your mindset, set and achieve goals, or develop new habits, our videos offer step-by-step techniques and strategies to help you grow and succeed. Are you a travel enthusiast? We have got you covered. Our travel tips and guides will help you discover new destinations, plan memorable trips, and make the most out of every travel experience. From packing tips to hidden gems around the world, we are here to make your adventures amazing. Looking to build and manage your financial portfolio? Our asset management content is designed to provide you with expert insights and practical strategies for growing and protecting your investments. Learn how to make informed decisions and achieve financial success. Do you love listening to mind-blowing audiobooks? We publish summaries of productive books that cut across personal development, investment, and lifestyle. Whether you are here for personal growth, travel tips, or financial tips, you will find fresh content that is both engaging and informative. If you are ready to take the next step in your personal development journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe or follow button depending on the platform you are watching from, and join our community. By subscribing or following our page, you will be the first to know about our latest videos and updates. We love hearing from you, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us what topics you are interested in, ask questions, or just say hi. Thank you so much for visiting Fahtel Growth Tips, your ultimate hub for personal growth, wealth building strategies, and unforgettable travel adventures.